Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the top 5 ways to promote affiliate products on social media. If you're looking to make money online, affiliate marketing can be a great way to generate passive income. But with so many affiliate products available, it can be challenging to know how to effectively promote them. In this video, we'll share the top strategies that successful affiliate marketers use to promote their products on social media. So, whether you're a beginner or an experienced affiliate marketer, stay tuned to learn how you can maximize your earnings through social media promotions. Create high-quality content. When promoting affiliate products on social media, it's essential to create high-quality content that your audience will enjoy and find helpful. You can create content in the form of blog posts, videos, infographics, or images that highlight the features and benefits of the product you are promoting. Creating high-quality content can help you establish yourself as an authority in your niche. By consistently providing your audience with valuable content, you can build trust and credibility, which can increase your chances of making a sale. High-quality content can help you attract more followers to your social media accounts. When people find your content helpful or entertaining, they are more likely to share it with their friends and followers, which can increase your reach and help you grow your audience. Creating high-quality content can help you stand out from the competition. With so many affiliate marketers promoting similar products, it's essential to create content that is unique and adds value to your audience. So, what kind of content should you create? The answer depends on your niche and your audience's preferences. Some popular types of content include blog posts, videos, infographics, and images. Regardless of the format, your content should focus on highlighting the features and benefits of the product you're promoting. One tip for creating high-quality content is to do your research. Before creating any content, take some time to research your target audience's pain points and interests. By understanding what your audience is looking for, you can create content that is more likely to resonate with them. Creating high-quality content is a crucial way to promote affiliate products on social media. By providing your audience with valuable and engaging content, you can establish yourself as an authority, attract more followers, and stand out from the competition. Use social media ads. Social media ads are an excellent way to promote affiliate products to a targeted audience. You can use paid ads on platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter to reach people who are interested in your niche. Social media ads can be an effective way to reach a large, targeted audience. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter offer robust advertising tools that allow you to target specific demographics, interests, and behaviors. This means you can show your affiliate products to people who are most likely to be interested in them. So, how do you get started with social media ads? First, determine your advertising budget. Social media advertising can be expensive, so it's essential to set a budget that aligns with your overall marketing strategy. Second, choose the right platform. Different social media platforms have different advertising options and audience demographics. Research which platform is best for your niche and audience. Third, create compelling ad content. Your ad should be visually appealing, grab the viewer's attention, and clearly highlight the product you're promoting. Fourth, use targeting options to reach your ideal audience. You can target your ads based on demographics like age, gender, and location, or use interest and behavior targeting to reach people with specific interests or actions. Finally, track your results and adjust your strategy as needed. Social media advertising is an iterative process, so it's essential to monitor your results and make changes to optimize your campaigns. Using social media ads is a powerful way to promote affiliate products. By targeting the right audience and creating compelling ad content, you can reach more people and drive more sales. Share user-generated content. Sharing user-generated content is an excellent way to promote affiliate products on social media. Encourage your audience to share their experiences with the product and repost their content. This approach can build trust with your audience and show that real people are using and enjoying the product. User-generated content (UGC) is any content created by users, such as reviews, testimonials, or images of them using the product. UGC is a powerful marketing tool because it provides social proof that the product is valuable and trustworthy. So, how can you use UGC to promote your affiliate products? First, encourage your audience to create UGC. You can do this by asking for reviews or testimonials, running a contest or giveaway, or sharing a branded hashtag. Second, curate the best UGC and share it on your social media accounts. Make sure to ask for permission from the creator and credit them in the post. Third, use UGC to showcase the features and benefits of the product. For example, you can share a photo of someone using the product or a testimonial that highlights how the product has helped them. Fourth, engage with your audience and encourage them to create more UGC. Respond to comments and questions, and show your appreciation for their contributions. Finally, track your results and adjust your strategy as needed. Monitor your UGC performance and make changes to optimize your campaigns. Sharing user-generated content is a powerful way to promote affiliate products. By leveraging the social proof provided by UGC, you can build trust and credibility with your audience and drive more sales. Utilize influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is another effective way to promote affiliate products on social media. Partner with influencers who have a large following in your niche and have them promote the products to their audience. This approach can increase brand awareness and drive sales. Influencer marketing is a powerful way to reach a large, engaged audience. Influencers have established trust and credibility with their followers, and partnering with them can help you tap into their audience and promote your affiliate products. So, how can you utilize influencer marketing to promote your affiliate products? First, research and identify relevant influencers in your niche. Look for influencers who have a large and engaged following and whose values align with your brand. Second, reach out to the influencers and pitch your affiliate product. Be clear about your expectations, compensation, and the timeline for the campaign. Third, work with the influencers to create content that promotes your product. This can include sponsored posts, stories, videos, or reviews. Fourth, track the performance of the campaign and adjust your strategy as needed. Monitor the engagement and sales generated by the campaign and make changes to optimize your results. Finally, maintain a positive relationship with the influencers and consider working with them on future campaigns. Influencer marketing is a powerful way to promote affiliate products on social media. By partnering with relevant influencers, you can reach a large and engaged audience and build trust and credibility with your target market. Offer exclusive discounts. Offering exclusive discounts or promotions can be an effective way to promote affiliate products on social media. You can create a unique discount code for your followers or offer a limited time promotion to encourage people to try the product. This approach can also create a sense of urgency and encourage people to make a purchase. Offering exclusive discounts is a powerful way to incentivize your audience to purchase your affiliate product. By providing a discount code or link, you can offer your audience a unique value proposition and encourage them to take action. So, how can you offer exclusive discounts to promote your affiliate products? First, negotiate a discount code or link with the product owner or affiliate program. Make sure to understand the terms and conditions of the discount and how it will affect your commissions. Second, promote the exclusive discount code or link on your social media accounts. Make sure to highlight the value proposition and the benefits of the product. Third, create urgency and scarcity by setting a limited time or quantity for the discount. This will encourage your audience to take action and make a purchase before the offer expires. Fourth, track the performance of the campaign and adjust your strategy as needed. Monitor the engagement and sales generated by the campaign and make changes to optimize your results. Finally, consider offering additional bonuses or incentives to further increase the perceived value of the product. Offering exclusive discounts is a powerful way to promote affiliate products on social media. By providing a unique value proposition and creating urgency, you can incentivize your audience to take action and generate more sales. That's it for today's video on the top 5 ways to promote affiliate products on social media. We hope you found these tips helpful and that you can implement them in your own affiliate marketing strategies. If you have any questions or additional tips, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.